Okay, so this is our presentation on the bearded fireworm, also known as the Hermodice carunculata.
Its classifications are, for its domain, it's eukaryote, its kingdom is animal, the phylum is Annelida, the class is Polychaeta, the order is Aculata, the family is Amphiphydomida, genus is Hermodice erythro, and the species is Hermodice carunculata.
Alright, so for the anatomy, the bearded fireworm has a body cavity, movable bristles, and a divided, segmented body figure characterizing it to fit into the annelid phylum. The approximate size of the fireworm is around 10 to 15 centimeters, which is also about the length of an iPhone 7 Plus. The symmetry of the fireworm is bilateral, meaning the property of being divisible into symmetrical halves on either side of a unique plane. Its physical characteristics include it's colorful, it has flattened parapodia, and also parapodia along each side, and parapodia just means bristles. The fireworm is a very easy animal to identify. Its colorful orange, fire-colored body and parapodia or bristles help depict it from other species and animals.
Its reproduction. The fireworm reproduces both asexually and sexually. When it fertilizes, its fertilization is external as well as when it's developing. The bearded fireworm illuminates during external fertilization and will dilute and separate during asexual reproduction.
For respiration, the fireworm takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide with its digestive, circulatory, and locomotor organs in each segment of its body. The fireworm has parapodia that they use to swim and burrow that increases the animal's surface area for gas exchange, and then the oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse through the animal's spleen.
Its ecology. It's found in the tropical warm Atlantic. Its biome was marine, and the characteristics of the marine biome are reefs, stony rocks, and seagrass. Adaptations that enable the fireworm to survive are its setae and parapodia. The fireworm is a detrivore, which means it thrives on alternative foods for its diet, like soft and hard corals, anemones, and crustaceans. And,
Yeah. Okay, so its food web basically just has things like mud and surface rocks and seaweed and stuff, and it goes up to the detrivores, then it goes up to the vertebrates and invertebrates, and then up to the small carnivores and large carnivores like crabs, starfish, fish, and birds.
Its evolution and fun facts. The bearded fireworm is estimated to have been on this earth from 1.5 to 2 billion years. Scientists have come up with this evidence for this estimation with resources like undisputed
fossils.
Yes,
So for fun facts, the bearded fireworm has a spine called setae that contains venom that they use as a form of defense. The fireworm gets its name, fireworm, from the fire-like burn that you get if you're stung or attacked by one. And then the bearded fireworm originally came from muddy, rocky areas around the Caribbean and Mediterranean Sea. Those are pictures. And there are sources. Okay, so this is just like a little review video thing. So bearded fireworms are a type of bristleworm from the fireworm family Amphiphideidae.
At first glance, this fireworm looks like a centipede with its elongated and flattened appearance.
Bearded fireworms are usually 15 centimeters in average length, but can reach up to 30 centimeters.
The bearded fireworm lives throughout the tropical coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean.
It is a voracious predator and feeds on dead or decaying organisms and coral phylops.
These fireworms are noticeably slow and are not considered a threat to humans unless touched by a careless swimmer.
Yay.
That's it.